Hello movers and shakers, happy Easter. So I like to come up with these commemorative times, points in time. We use them as a marker. So how are your strategic steps going? So this is Easter weekend in Canada. To all the Christian people, happy Easter. And to all the non-Christian people, happy eating chocolate. But the point is, let's take a moment in time. Every now and then we need to do an assessment of where we are for where we're going. So are you doing okay? This is what this is all about. Are you needing to get other support? Connect with me. We celebrate wins. Connect with Flame Delights. We're going to celebrate where you are, where you're going. It's celebration to the next level of awesome. See, everything under the Empower Innovate movement is to bring us to next advancement and to better refinement. So happy Easter, everybody. Looking forward to connecting with you again. Stay tuned for the next couple events that I've been doing. Come on and help us. And July, it's all going to be about connecting, communicating. We're going to hear how the summer is going. Are you in your rest and relaxation time? Are you taking the moments to do your next steps? Are you taking the moments to refine your next steps? And in August, we have another positive mental workshop, which will be in person. It's all about wellness. It's all about giving us the time to pause, to relax, to connect with our August is very purposeful. We did one in March. How do we do? Well, now we're doing it in August, so we're going to look back. How's the year going? We have a couple months, August, a couple months towards the next end of the year. We know that a lot of people like to use January in the calendar year as a marker. We're going to prepare ourselves for January. August is flex and reflect. We're going to be flexing our skills. We're going to be reflecting on where we are, where we're going to go, and how we can make sure that the community is with us. So happy Easter. Enjoy your time. Enjoy the marker. And I look forward to connecting with you. Tammy at TammyServices.com.